Molweni, word of the day. Ufuna ukuthi namhlanje fight for who you are, fight for your identity. Most of us have grown and have chosen to adapt to certain characters, to certain natures, to certain habits, to please other people. And along the way, we've lost the essence of who we were or who we are. We have lost the building blocks that have made us to be where we are at today because of the association that we find ourselves in. So I would love to say today to you this morning or evening or afternoon, whatever time this searches you at, don't lose your identity. Don't lose who you are. Don't sacrifice your joy. Don't sacrifice your path. Don't prolong your journey by trying and pleasing other people. Maintain your sanity. Keep who you are. It's very important. Don't lose your identity. Stay blessed.